See, the thing about the game is, shit don't stop. You could be hurting, it don't matter. Business still roll up on you.
All I got is money on my mind. All I do is grind. You will never see me cry, cause my pride too high. I got money on my mind.
All I got is money on my mind. All I do is grind. You will never see me cry, cause my pride too high. I got money on my mind.
Money's all I got on my mind all the time. Never thinking about a bitch. What you thought this shit was most niggas my age thinking about cuffing, thinking about gains while I'm trying to gain some money. I come from the project, so the only thing I learned was chasing this money and not chasing the honey. I'm a reckless young nigga coming from the X. Let me be more specific, I'm talking about the BX. I will steal your ex, don't you dare think I'ma wife that bitch. I only want her for the night, so get that shit right. I ain't with that cuffing shit, so cut that shit. Gotta stay loyal to this money, cause I'm married to this money. And I'm fucking yo honey, and I'm still stacking while seeing my enemies still bummy. Isn't that funny? I will make your bitch bounce in my lap like a fucking bunny. And I just count an ounce, so you know how that shit goes. Stacking money, getting money, making figures, all I know. All I got is money on my mind. All I do is grind. You will never see me cry, cause my pride too high. I got money on my mind.
All I got is money on my mind. All I do is grind. You will never see me cry, cause my pride too high. I got money on my mind.
If y'all niggas wanna act ecstatic with me, you know I'ma go at it, cause I'm reckless. Most people think I'm an addict, but I'm really not. And I never had it, so I'ma chase it till I have it. Ayy. Poppin' the nigga, so you know how that shit got me feeling. I'm feeling so good. Posted up in the hood, smoking on backwoods. Bitch, I lost my childhood, and I'm with my goons. If a nigga wanna talk silly, we gon' hunt him down. You be with some clowns, I be with some savages from my town. Bitch, I got dreams that I'm tryna get into. Looking for some lean, so you know I'm gon' get into. Gotta watch myself, cause there's a lot of fakes out here. There's a lot of snakes out here. It's a fucking cold world, there's no fucking love out here. All I want is gold in this world. Young Mexican goon, tryna make it to the top, so I ain't gon' stop, cause I'm tryna leave the bottom. Sipping on that Henny bottle, I ain't with that talking shit. All I show is action, bitch. All I got is money on my mind. All I do is grind. You will never see me cry, cause my pride too high. I got money on my mind.